Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese quesadillas. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of shredded cheese per quesadilla. Good options include Monterey Jack, cheddar, or a Mexican blend. Grab 2 8-inch flour tortillas for each serving. Also, have a tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil, like vegetable oil, on hand for cooking. These simple components are the foundation for a perfect, cheesy treat. Now, let's assemble your quesadilla. Take 1 8-inch flour tortilla and sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your chosen shredded cheese evenly over its surface. Make sure to leave a small 1/4 inch border around the edge. This helps prevent cheese from oozing out during cooking. Then, carefully place a second 8-inch tortilla directly on top, aligning the edges. This creates a neat package ready for the heat. Cooking your quesadilla to perfection is key. Place a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium-low heat. Once warm, add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a neutral oil. Carefully place your assembled quesadilla into the pan. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and crispy. You'll know it's ready when the cheese inside is completely melted and wonderfully gooey. Once cooked, carefully remove your quesadilla from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for about 30 seconds. This brief pause helps the cheese set slightly. Then, using a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, slice the quesadilla into 2 halves or 4 triangular wedges. Serve your warm, cheesy creation immediately with classic accompaniments like sour cream, fresh salsa, or creamy guacamole for an extra burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.